How much does it cost to get a criminal attorney in the state of Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Oklahoma attorney Justin Mosteller with the Wirth Law Office, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the cost associated if you are charged with the crime and need private defense counsel. Now, to begin with, everyone, if they're charged with a crime, is entitled to an attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, the state will provide one for you. The process of getting that attorney is to fill out what's called a pauper's affidavit with the county clerk in the county in which you're charged with the crime. Now, that affidavit will go through your financial means and other information about your personal situation so that the court can determine whether or not you are indigent. Indigent simply means that you don't have the money to afford your own private attorney. If the court determines that you are not indigent, then you will be required to hire an attorney. And for the most part, most attorneys in the state of Oklahoma will do what's called a flat fee retainer for representation before trial. Criminal cases can kind of be divided into pre-trial and then trial. Pre-trial is all the work that goes into trying to negotiate with the state to get a good deal for you so that the case can be resolved without the hassle and expense of a trial. Those retainers are typically much less, but will very much depend on whether you're charged with a misdemeanor or a felony. Obviously, a felony being more serious is going to cost more money. Misdemeanor being less serious costs less. Most attorneys will happily give you a quote if you give them a call and explain your situation and provide them with some information that can kind of determine how expensive representation will be in your specific case. If you're charged with a crime in the state of Oklahoma, give the Wirth Law Office a call. We're happy to be in your corner. Our motto is to make law easy, and that's what we strive to do every single day. Thanks.